Hi, my name is John Baxter. I live in Jersey City, New Jersey. In 2017, I was diagnosed with a ruptured disc, which had caused me quite severe lower back pain and was preventing me from achieving some sporting goals in terms of endurance cycling events and triathlons. During that time, I had physiotherapy, I had injections, and none of those were actually curing the underlying problem. I subsequently learned about Dr. Sarno and read his book, but that left me with a difficulty in terms of understanding how I could take forward Dr. Sarno's practice and research to do something practical for myself. I fortunately found the Pain Cure Clinic, and thanks to John and Laura, had a series of coaching sessions which ultimately led to me becoming pain-free, which I will forever be grateful for. That's enabled me to progress on. I continue to be pain-free a couple of years later, and I've achieved some quite significant goals, riding across New York State from New York to Niagara Falls, over 540 miles. I've completed the Big Sur 11-mile run. I've ridden over 107 miles in one event, and my crowning glory to date has been a half Ironman in Maine, which I never thought would be possible. This year, I intend to complete a full Ironman in Lake Placid, and I wouldn't be able to do this with the pain that I was previously suffering. So thank you, John, thank you, Laura, and thank you, the Pain Cure Clinic.